All right, so lots and lots of information here, but just like any technology, you have to really be thoughtful and have a strategy created by humans, created by groups of humans. Start with your goals. Why are you using the tools? What types of tools do you need? Do you need to make PowerPoints? Do you need to make content? Do you need blog posts? Do you need to do e-marketing? Do you need to improve your website? What are the right tools? What's your budget? What are the right pieces of technology that are going to help with that specific or those specific things that you want to do? But don't forget data quality. Start small. Sometimes necessity is the mother, and you've got something you've got to get done, and you've got to get it done really quick, and you just are going to start with a very small project. I wonder if ChatGPT has any ideas, and you may find that it does. Work with your team, and find out kind of what they're working on. Your graphic design folks, if you have those folks, might be using one tool like Canva, and then your content and e-marketing folks might be using something else to generate initial drafts. And then you've got other folks dealing with your website bios and all of that. And there are different tools that do different things and that have different benefits. But what we talked about today, and again, we will be sharing this, train your staff. If you're leading a department, it's really incumbent upon you to take this into your hands and be the leader that lets them know where the parameters are and how important it is to check the information and all the ethical issues and how to talk to the lawyers about it. Spend some time making sure that they understand the best practices for this, and just monitor performance, keep trying new things, see what works, make course corrections as needed, but just get out there and try some of this.